Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Windows after installing a new SSD. Complete guide step. Begin by powering on your computer. Once the system boots, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Settings and select the Settings app from the search results. Within the Settings window, locate and click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security section, ensure you are in the Windows Update tab. Click on the Check for Updates button. Allow the system to search for available updates. If updates are found, click on the Download button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, a button labeled Install will appear. Click the Install button to begin installing the updates. Your computer may prompt you to restart to complete the installation. If prompted, click on the Restart Now button or you can choose to schedule the restart. After your computer restarts, it will continue the update installation process. Once completed, you may see a message indicating that your system is up to date. If you wish, you can check for updates again following the same steps. After confirming that all updates are installed, close the Settings window. Finally, verify that your new SSD is functioning properly by accessing files or applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.